Huh? Yeah. You got any bumps? There he is. Got him? Oh, that's a good one. What's that on? Hinkle? Okay. There you go. All right. He bumped it a minute ago. Yeah, it's a decent one. Got him good. That's probably close to 3. Nice and silver. Feel how cold this fish is. That's a female, I think. She's so silvery.
That's really cold. Where was it?
Right out in there. All right, you still got your lipstick on. You're so silver. Ow! She took off, bro. That felt good. 3-pounder. 3-pounder on the Hink. Oh yeah. I got bumped out there. I had absolutely no grass or sticks. I felt like it was a short strike. Yeah, I got him. It's pretty good. Golly, splashing. Here, bring him up. I can't get him. Jackhammer.
Yeah, that's about.
Yeah, nice. That's where that.
What I got shad was about out here.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
That was a good one.
Run in here. Nice job with the smoky. Reach in there, bro. I'm lifting as high as I can. Uh-oh. We got a little hang up. Pretty fat girl. The silver ones right now are probably females, especially when they're that fat.
Oh, they're all fat.
Yep, that's a good one.